Strong IPO action is also what we are witnessing because 3 companies are set to open for the subscription. Which are the companies and what are the other details on the IPO front? Sharad is joining us to give us all those details. Take it away, Sharad.
Well, yes, 3 important IPOs coming in, and roughly they'll be mopping up more than 1,500 crore rupees this week. And importantly, Rashi Peripherals yesterday they got in 180 crores from anchor investors, and 2 important names coming in. First is the Madhusudan Kela's family office and also FI White Oak Capital. Now the IPO price band ranges between 295 to 311 rupees per share. IPO size is roughly 600 crore rupees. 2 other banks are also there in the offing in the IPO space. Jana Small Finance Bank, they raised 167 crore from anchor investors, and the names include Citigroup as well. And if you look at the IPO price band, that comes in the range of between 393 to 414 rupees, IPO size at 570 crore. And lastly, Capital Small Finance Bank roughly raised 160 crore rupees. White Oak Capital and Nippon Life Mutual Fund are the important anchor investors participating in this IPO, and the IPO price band is 445 to 468 with the size of almost 523 odd crore rupees. Lastly, also there is a company, APJ Surendra Park, Calcutta-based group of hospitality companies, which the day 3 of the subscription will be there today. As of the second day, if you look at it, the numbers are coming at almost 6.2 times of the subscription rates.
Thank you so much for that, actually, Sharad, for actually outlining which are the IPOs that are slated to open today or that have opened today and which is the one that is actually closing today. But let's get on board Sneha Poddar to get her views in particular of what she makes of this, the companies that are actually opening up for IPO, as well as we have Kunal joining us. But we will talk about markets with Kunal and not the IPO market. Coming to you, Sneha, then you have 3 of them opening today, and out of those 3, most of them have actually marquee investors actually invested in these counters. Out of the 3 that are opening today, which one do you think stands out and why?
Okay, a very good morning. So according to me, APJ would stand out because it has a strong brand name, and though it's a Calcutta-based company, but then it has a strong pan-India presence with various hotels under different brands. It also has a food and beverage segment, and it runs it under the brand Flurries, which provides it better margins and a little more resilience compared to the cyclicality nature of the hospitality business. So we really like, and especially like, given
वो
the
PSU
boom that
कोटक वाला
given the boom that we are seeing in the hospitality segment post the COVID, so the trend still continues to be quite robust, and the travel and tourism segment doesn't seem to be anywhere near the end of the cycle. So the overall the segment is doing well, and APJ with its good brand presence and with a strong presence even in the F&B segment should do well. The IPO is priced in line with the peers. However, post the fund raise, the debt would reduce drastically for the company, and even the working capital cycle would improve. So that should actually boost the earnings a lot for the company. So, given the valuations and everything, we believe APJ stands out best among the 3 that we are seeing.
Thank you so much, Sneha, for giving us your take on the IPO market.